Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOJO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very, just pretty much summarizing what happened today. So if you say, Clay, look, just give me a quick overview of what happened, I would say an absolute pump and dump. Now, I don't know anything about the company, so I'm not saying that this company is shady and being run out of some North Korean bunker. I'm just making that statement based solely on the price action. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes essentially back to where it started. And, with that, hopefully I don't have to really say much. I mean, when you stop and think about it, the price opened up down here. And within 30 minutes, remember, each one of these represents 30 minutes, went up as high as there. So there's that first part of the definition. Price makes a really nice move. I'm really hoping we can all agree this was a really nice move. Next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the same day, once again, I'm assuming and hoping we can agree that, all right, yeah, this was definitely a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started. Now, to be fair to the bulls, did the price go all the way down to where it started right here and, close down there? It did not. So you do have to be, a little fair to the bulls, and to best do that, throw in a level of support where the bleeding finally stopped today. And that level was right here around 50 cents. Why is 50 cents a level that needs to be paid attention to? Again, I keep repeating myself, but I want to make sure that you got to look at all these sides of the coin. So from the bulls side of the coin, technically speaking, yeah, the bulls could go down there, bounce around, head back up. And if that were to happen, then from the big picture, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, then yes, the stair steps would technically still be headed in the upwards direction. However, if the price breaks below 50 cents or worse yet, separates to the downside, what would you have at that point in time? You would literally have the price right back in this area, which is where it all started. And that's just, the epitome of what a pump and dump is. Awesome move, and then within a pretty short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started or pretty close. So we'll see if 50 cents can hold, but if you haven't connected those dots, 50 cents definitely a very important level of support going into tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.